Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the Mogul Productions token using Trust Wallet and PancakeSwap. Now, you guys can get this token with Ethereum or BNB, but I'm going to show you guys the BNB method just because the gas fees would be significantly cheaper. So yeah, just pay attention to this video and I'll show you guys exactly what you need to do. So first off here, we're just going to go ahead over to our Trust Wallet and open that up. Now, once we're in our Trust Wallet here, I'm just going to let you guys know I'm not going to show you how to create your Trust Wallet or how to buy or transfer BNB inside of this video here. If you need to learn how to do either of those two things, I'll have separate tutorials linked in the description as well as in the comment section down below. Anyhow, once you have your BNB inside of your Trust Wallet here, we're just going to go ahead and click on BNB and just make sure that we click on swap and we swap our BNB over to our Smart Chain wallets. If you do not have your BNB balance inside of your Smart Chain wallet, the balance will not show on PancakeSwap, so it's very important that we have that swapped into our Smart Chain wallets. But anyways, once you have that in there and you're good to go, we can then go ahead over to CoinMarketCap to get the contract address. And I'll have a link over in the description and comment section to CoinMarketCap. So you guys can just go ahead over to that link and then I'll show you guys what to do once you're on CoinMarketCap. And once you're on CoinMarketCap here, we're just going to go down to where we see contracts. All the way over to the right, you'll see a little arrow pointing to the right. You're going to want to click on that. Then it's going to show us two different contracts here. We're going to want to click on the Binance Smart Chain one. Just over to the right, you'll see those two little squares. Click on that to copy the Binance Smart Chain address. Once you click on that, it's going to say copied. And then we can go ahead right back into our Trust Wallet. And then once we're in our Trust Wallets here, we just want to go to the top right corner where we see the two lines and two circles. Click on that. Then just go to the top search and paste that in. Now, once you paste that in, it's going to show no assets found, add custom token. So we're going to click on add custom token. Then we're going to switch the network from Ethereum over to Smart Chain and then paste in that new address. It will then show us everything else that's popped up automatically here. So we just go ahead and click on save in the top right corner. And now we'll have a spot for our token. So now once we have that, we can exit out of here. And now all we have to do is head over to the exchange to swap the tokens. So I'll have a link over to PancakeSwap in the description as well as in the comment section down below. So just head over to that link and then I'll show you guys what to do next. And once you're on PancakeSwap here, we're just going to go to the top right corner where we see the Connect Wallet button and click on Connect Wallet. We're then going to click on Wallet Connect. And then here is going to show us a bunch of different wallets that we could use for this tutorial. But in this case, I'm going to be showing you with Trust Wallet. So I'm just going to click on Trust Wallet. We're then going to have to wait for this connection screen right here. Once you receive the connection screen, you can go ahead and click on Connect and then head right back into our PancakeSwap. Now, we'll know our wallet's connected when we see our wallet icon in the top right corner, as well as our balance of BNB right beside BNB right here. Now, once we have that, all we have to do is add the token. So we're going to click on where it says cake, that little arrow pointing down. Just go ahead and click on that. And then we're just going to paste in the new contract address up in the top corner here. We'll then see the token pop up. So we're going to click on import, I understand, and then import. Now, once we have the token in here, we can now change our slippage tolerance. And to do that, we're going to go beside swap. All the way over to the right, you'll see this little settings gear here. You can go ahead and click on the little settings gear. And then under slippage tolerance and swaps and liquidity, you'll have to change this right here. Now, it will change depending on the liquidity of the token at the time that you're trying to purchase it. So it will change. I do recommend starting off with 12% for majority of these tokens, but you may have to do a little bit higher. Sometimes you can get away with a little bit lower. So you guys can do a little bit of trial and error if you would like to, but I do generally recommend around 12%. That usually works perfectly fine. Anyhow, once you have your slippage tolerance in here, you can then exit out. And now all we have to do is decide how much BNB that we want to transfer into this token. So let's just say, for example, I do 1 BNB. It will then show us the amount that I'll get in exchange for my 1 BNB. So if you guys are happy and comfortable with what you see here as the exchange, you can go ahead and click on the swap button where it says insufficient BNB balance for me. Once you click on swap, it's going to show you a broken down version of your transaction, showing you your fees and things like that that's involved. So make sure you guys read through that and you understand before you go through with the transaction. But once you see that there, you can go ahead and click on swap one more time. Once you click on swap one more time, you'll see another screen pop up inside of your Trust Wallet, just asking you to confirm the transaction. So you just want to go ahead and click on confirm for that. And once you see that, you can then come back into your PancakeSwap and you should get that green check mark. Once you receive that, we can then exit out of here, right back into our Trust Wallet, and then the token will arrive here usually within a couple moments. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out, showing you guys how to buy this token using Trust Wallet and PancakeSwap. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.